Hi guys, karibu to my channel. So today I am going to talk about natural hair rules that I actually follow, and then on my next video I'm going to talk about natural hair rules that I don't follow. So if you guys are interested in watching this video, make sure you stay tuned and enjoy the video. Enjoy the video.
Sitting at the corner, me and Susie know.
So to start off, I'm going to start with the one natural hair rule that I follow that most 4C people aren't really a big fan of. I personally adore finger detangling. I don't know about you guys, but finger detangling has gotten me to the length and the thickness that I've gotten right now. First of all, I'm going to talk about the pros and cons. The pros is you get thicker hair, you're gentle on your hair. The con is it's time consuming. I'm not even going to lie to you guys, because personally there are some people who can stay finger detangling in their hair for like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or maybe 1 hour. I do the type of finger detangling that's called dry finger detangling. So basically I just normally use coconut oil or castor oil on my hair, and I finger detangle with my hair, and I'm really super gentle. So I think that's why it takes me a little bit longer, but I just really like being extra gentle with my hair. So that is why. But some people can use comb, some people can use like, denim brush, and their hair won't break. But personally I've seen like a lot of growth and a lot of length when I use my fingers. And yes, I do use the comb time to time. That's especially when I'm straightening my hair once a year, which is a really rare occasion. So that's the only time I say, okay, I'm still going to use like the comb on my blow dryer. I rather just detangle my hair than just go through all of that pain and agony. The second rule that I actually follow is I only use lassos or shirts on my hair. I don't use towels. I just can't. I have really frizzy hair. My hair is just really frizzy, especially when I'm doing a twist out. If I wash my hair right now and I just rub a towel on top of it, the frizziness that will come out of my head, even God knows. So what I prefer using is actually a lasso or a t-shirt. If you guys know what a lasso is, I'm just going to put a photo of it over here. So I think that helps with my frizziness, especially if I'm trying to do a style such as like a twist out like this, or a braid out, or maybe just try to put my twist in place. The third rule that I actually follow is consistency. I think being consistent is really important. Just 2 weeks ago I was really super sick, and I don't know why, but like after the end of like a week, and 2 days after I was finally healed, thank God. I just noticed that my hair was dry. It was extremely dry. I had a lot of breakage, and that's when I came to the conclusion that consistency is key. Yes, some people don't really have to do anything to their hair. Yes, some people can just wake up, not moisturize their hair, and go on with their day, and their hair will grow like a weed. Now, all of those people are those people. Me and me, I'm telling you, if I don't do anything to my hair, it will just break and fall off. I'm not even going to lie. Like, my hair is that hair, if you don't take care of it, you're just going to see hell. That's just the basic truth. And yes, some people can just grow their hair and not do the most and not moisturize their hair every day. Personally, my cousin is like that, and I'm super jealous. You have no idea. But when it comes to my hair, if I don't really take care of it, it'll just break off, it'll cause issues. I'll have split ends, my ends will be knotted up, there'll just be tangles everywhere, everything will just be a whole mess. So that's what I've just decided to do, just to be consistent. You just do what works for you. The third rule I actually follow is the no heat rule. So I'm just going to be calm clean right now. I only straighten my hair with medium to low heat once a year. That's the only time I break that rule. But when it comes to heat, my hair just doesn't like heat. Let me just be straightforward. Like, my hair does not like heat. Even when it comes to deep conditioning, when I go to a salon, I always tell the salonist, please don't put too much heat on my hair, because I just know my hair is just prone to its damage. I know the characteristics of my hair, I don't know. That's that. My hair just doesn't like almost everything. It just doesn't like almost everything. But like, you know, it's just being honest with yourself. I can't just be blow drying my hair every day. Like I see other YouTubers and be like, oh, our porosity, our genetics, our texture is the same. No, I'm not going to lie to myself. My hair just doesn't like heat. There are some people who are just the hair is just made, I don't know with gold, I don't know with what, but personally, like there are some people, especially my cousin, again with my cousin, she can put heat on her hair every single day, but there's no one time I've ever seen her with heat damage, and that's the annoying thing about it, you know. But you know what I do appreciate about it is that when it comes to black women and also African women, black women all around the world, we have a whole range of diversity when it comes to our hair, our skin, our eye color. Like we're all different, and that uniqueness is what makes us special. You understand? And that's what I love about like being me and being African and being like, you know, part of the natural hair community, is that no one is the same because people have different textures, people have different manipulation styles and protective styles actually help in retaining length. Personally, I have 4C thin low porosity hair, and plus to add on top of it, I'm in university and I have a part-time job, so sometimes I don't really have time to deal with my own hair. Like for example, when I was doing a twist out, some of my twist outs were really defined and they'll stay for about 1 week, but sometimes I didn't really have the time to make my twist out as defined, so I was in a rush to make sure it's defined. Then after 3 days it will freeze up because my hair is really frizzy. So low manipulation styles and protective styles always gave me an opportunity to have time for other things, because remember, like as much as you're in a natural hair journey and you love the natural hair movement, hair is just hair isn't everything. You understand? Hair is just like 0.01 part of your identity, if you understand what I mean. Like it isn't as big as people make it seem. Personally, to me, natural hair doesn't really define you. It's you who actually defines you through your actions, through what you do, through what you believe in. You understand? So like when it comes to natural hair, I like, yes, taking care of my hair, and I still take care of my hair when they're in the low manipulation styles such as twist outs or braid outs or just maybe mini twist or a bun. But I just want to also have time for other things. Another thing is I love protective cells. I love how protective cells are, and I'm a really big fan of wigs. I know that's not really uh like, you know, shared opinion, but I'm a really big fan of wigs. It's not that I want to hide my hair, it's just that I want to retain my length, and plus wigs give me that opportunity to help my hair to actually be straight. I don't use wig, and I don't use it to hide my hair. I just use it to retain length. And yes, obviously when I have my mini twist, as you can see the photo here, I can walk around with mini twist, I can walk around with my twist outs, I can walk around with my braids outs. I love like expressing like how much my hair's come this far and how much length and thickness I've gotten through this experience. But at the same time, I want to make sure that I have time for myself. I want to make sure I can still experiment and dye on fake hair. I don't want to straighten and dye on my own hair because I know my hair can even take a girl. So those are like the main things that I love doing for my own hair, and I think it's really important. Hi guys, sorry my camera went off. I'll do a part 2 on this video next week, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed the bloopers. So kwaheri guys, stay tuned and remember to give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, njugu njugu. Okay, I'm coming. Sawa. Are we on? I became really fragile, fragile. My, and because of that, my hair became